Now we come to the sixth chakra, up in the brow area, and there are not so many physical exercises for this, but there are a few that take our forehead and focus our gaze in a particular place. Stand with your feet hip-width apart in an upright position looking forward. Take a breath in and step your right leg back, about 3 feet. Bring your hands together, interlace your fingers all except for the first finger, making a steeple, and lift your hands up overhead. Lift your gaze to look at the tip of your fingertips. Extend and lengthen. Take a deep breath in as you lengthen a little more, and then slowly bow forward, keeping your gaze fixed on your fingertips as you bring your forehead down toward your knee. If you need to bend your knee in order to do this, that's perfectly fine. Go to wherever is the limit of your flexibility. And if you can, let your fingertips come all the way to the floor. Pull into your core and visualize a line of light from the crown of your head to your base chakra, going right through the center of you. When you're ready to come up out of the pose, take a breath in and lift your head. Anchor down into both legs. And begin to lift your body, keeping your gaze fixed on your fingertips. And bring your hands down the core to the heart chakra. Step forward with your right leg, back into standing pose, Tadasana. Looking forward, inhale and take your left leg back about 3 feet. With both legs straight, bring your hands together, make a steeple position, take your gaze to your fingertips, and bring your fingertips up overhead. Take a deep breath in and stretch a little more, lengthening up toward your fingertips, and then on the out breath, slowly come forward, bending at the hips, extending out toward your fingertips, keeping your gaze fixed there. As you come down and bring your fingertips toward the floor and your forehead toward your knee, bending your knee if necessary. It's good to pull your right hip back a little and your left hip forward so you're squaring up your whole torso, and hug into your core. And to come out of the pose, take a breath in, lift your head, extend out into your fingertips, anchor down into your feet and legs, and slowly moving from your core, lift up and bring your hands down your body. Step forward. Close your eyes and turn your gaze inward. I like this pose because the hands come up right between the eyes and you can look out on either side of your hands and really focus. It's a difficult pose, and to balance you need to pick a point on the floor, maybe 4 to 6 feet in front of you to focus on. This massages many of the joints of the body, and you want to be focused on your core as you do it. So inhale and bend your knees. And lift your right leg up over your left leg, if possible, hooking your foot behind your calf. And it's okay to touch your foot down for balance also. Inhale your hands up And exhale your right arm underneath your left arm and interlace your hands if possible. You can also use a cloth or a belt if your hands don't touch. I like to line up the hands so the eyes are looking out either side and you're hugging into your core. Inhale and open up your arms, release your leg, and come back to center. Let's do the other side. Bend your knees on an inhale and cross your left leg over, wrapping it around if possible, or touching your toes down for balance. Inhale the hands up overhead, and exhale the left arm underneath the right arm. And if you can, bring your palms together or hold on to a strap. Align your hands so that your eyes are looking out either side of your hands and pull into your core. To come out of the pose, inhale and open up your arms. Take your leg back to the side and come into center. And close your eyes, taking your fingertips to your third eye.